this is our next summit.
We fearlessly continue the next expedition to the Big Mojstrovka. Since we have already climbed the small Mojstrovka, we still have an hour of rock climbing to the Big Mojstrovka. No big deal. The path over the ridge is made difficult by small gravel, but as you can see, Sretana passes it without any problems.
Let's stop for a while and enjoy the view. We have enough time.
Okay, it's time to climb, so we will be careful where we stop. The hardest part is over, and now there is a gentle climb to the top.
Hello again!
Hello,
Thanks for watching.
we hope you like it.
See you next time.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.